From today onwards, we are going to discuss about power electronics. First, we have to know what is power electronics. You know very well. This is the simple definition of this power electronics. So we have to see now the definition of power electronics. Power electronics is a branch of electrical engineering which deals with the power conversion from one form to another form. One form to another form means here by using these power electronics devices we are converting energy from one form to another form. Means energy is mostly we have in electrical AC and DC. Means if you want to convert from AC to DC or DC to AC, we are using these power electronics devices. So that is the main function of this power electronics device is nothing but power electronics is a branch of electric engineering which deals with the power conversion from one form to another form using inductors, capacitors, semiconductor devices like diode, thyristor, MOSFET, IGBT and etc. This is the main definition of this power electronics. And next one we have to see the power. This may be from milliwatts point on load applications to megawatt in power system. Means if the rating of a particular device is if it is very low, that is milliwatts. If the rating of a particular power system is very high, it is megawatts. So here we have to know one thing, that is the power electronic devices today using from milliwatts to megawatts range. That is the main advantage of this power electronics devices. And we have to see what are the conversions will be done by using these power electronics devices. Energy conversion can take place in any form. The basic conversions are AC to AC, DC to DC, DC to AC, AC to DC. That is these conversion, all these four conversions are happened. These four conversions are done by using this power electronics device. That is called as the power electronics is a branch of electrical engineering which deals with power conversion from one form to another by using different types of power electronics device, that is a semiconductor devices. Okay, this energy conversion, if by using this power electronic device if you are converting from AC to AC, then it is called as AC choppers. If you are converting DC to DC, this is called as DC choppers. If you are converting DC to AC, it is called as inverters. If you are converting AC to DC, then it is called as rectifier. These four conversions are called as, which are the applications. In these four conversions we are using this power electronics. So this is the definition of what is power electronics. Next we have to see and we have to know one thing, that is the difference between power electronics and the electronics. Here see here, power electronics is simply defined as an area of electrical engineering that involves control, conditioning and conversion of electric power using semiconductor switches. This is power electronics. It is simply a part of the electrical engineering which is used for only for controlling, conditioning and conversion of power from different conversions by using semiconductor switches. And by using these power electronics devices we can improve the efficiency of the system. On the other hand, electronics is a vast area of electrical engineering which includes all applications of semiconductors. We know very well electronics, resistor, inductors, capacitor, different semiconductor devices, diode, xenon diodes. So that is this diode. This is the difference. What is the difference between this power electronics and electronics is nothing but here if you are using in that electronics, if you are having one device that is called as only the diode. If we can take example, it can act in only one direction. Means it act in only forward direction. So if you are using here power electronics devices, it is also, but the main advantage of this power electronics device is nothing but These devices are act as controlling purpose, conditioning purpose, and conversion of power from one form to another form. That is the main difference between these power electronics and electronics devices have the rating very low, but the power electronic device has the high ratings, that is megawatts. Now we have to see the application, different applications of power electronics. Applications means where we are using these power electronics devices. Nowadays these applications of these power electronics devices we are using at home as light dimmer. At home light dimmer, that is light dimmer means if you are increasing the intensity of light from increasing to or decreasing, then we are using power electronics device, that is called as AC chopper or air conditioning. In air conditioning also we have power electronic devices. Next one is UPS, that is uninterruptible power system. In this also we are having power electronics. Next battery charges, that is called as, here in this we are using DC chopper, etc. In these are the applications, some few applications of these power electronics devices. And next one is industries application. Almost all the motors employed in the industries are controlled by power electronic drives, we know very well that is. And next, power supplies in aircraft, satellites, space shuttle, advanced control in missiles, unmanned vehicles, and other defense equipment. Here we have to see one, that is satellites. Nowadays in satellites, this satellite completely works on this by using this power electronic device. That is the main advantage of this power electronics. And another one is called as renewable energy. Mm, Nowadays the demand of this renewable energy is very high, and this the percentage of this energy has also increased, that is generation systems such as solar and wind, etc. In this also power electronics devices are used, that is for reducing harmonics, distortion, noise of voltage or current. And next, for example solar, in this for example solar cell generate the, we know very well, DC power, and for general application we need AC power, and hence power electronic converter is used. So that is the meaning of this sentence is nothing but, we know very well, solar cell which generates a DC power, but all the applications in the society one in the present system, all the application equipments are works only on AC. So that's why we have to convert this DC power whatever we are getting from solar panel, that will convert into AC. To convert that DC to AC we are using this power electronics device. That is application of this and important of this power electronics. And next one is utility system, that is called as HVDC transmission to interconnect between two countries. Means the meaning of this sentence is nothing but, if one country having 60 hertz and our country having 50 hertz, if you want to if you want to get the energy from other country, or if you want to transmit our electrical energy to other country, there must be a value of frequency must be uh, constant, and it must be matched. So to change that value of frequency from 60 to 50, then only it is possible to get the energy from one country to another country. So that is, in that conversion also, in that frequency of value to change, we are using power electronics device. Here in that case, converting this AC power to DC, and then DC power it will be converts into AC. That is the main function of this power electron. These are all the applications of power electronics. Next, this is the main view of this power electronics. You have to know this. This is the applications of power electronics, which are the all are the power applications of modern traction system and ships, automotives, and traction subways, hybrid electric vehicles for lifts, rolling mills, elevators, pumps, industry, cement mills, construction machinery, wind system, renewable energy, solar system, defense, utility system, HVDs, fax, smart grids, air conditioning, computer, UPS, vacuum cleaners, electric power steering, which are some few examples only. One thing we have to know, that is the point is, that is our daily life. In our daily life, the value of this power electronic device increased day by day. So we are almost, a man was almost 100% he was depend on food, as compared a man 100% depends on this power electronics. That is the important of and importance of this power electronics. And next one, this is the best example circuit for this power electronics. So this is a simple circuit. Here we have inductor, switch, diode and load. So here we have to know one thing, that is that this circuit consists of diode, switch, it may be as IGBT or MOSFET and BJT. Another is storage elements as that is inductor. Here it is also called as capacitor. Means a simple power electronic circuit, it consists of three elements mostly, and or we can say that a simple power electronic circuit can be divided into three parts. That is, one is diode, that is one is here diode, switch, storage elements. These are the parts in power electronic circuits. So that is the main intention of showing this slide is nothing but we have to know, we have to get one information from this circuit, that is called as the power electronic circuits. Power electronic devices are divided into three main categories. One is called as uncontrolled devices as diode, semi-controlled device as thyristor. Another one is fully controlled devices as power transistor as BJT, MOSFET, IGBT and GTO. These are the power electron devices are divided into three main categories. These are the, so that is we have to know one thing, that is power electronic circuits can be divided into three main categories. One is called as uncontrolled device, second one is called as semi controlled, third one is called as fully controlled. This is the introduction of power electronics, that is what is power electronics and applications, the definition and the main